Alright, back on this, we're at 163. I'm going to drain it a little bit first before you pick it up. Isn't it? That lid's getting hot. Hold the handle.
Woo-wee, that baby's hot.
It says hot. Caution, hot.
Caution.
So I don't know why, it's only 163 in there. Ready? Down. Getting cleaner. Alright, I'll do a 180, give it another 10 minutes and call her done.
All right.
Or 12, I did 12 on the other side. But I'll slide the spark plugs over here so they don't get hit. Probably should have done that in a tank because we have to lift those up to get the solvent, or get the fluid back in there. I got a plug right here. Alright, that's going to have to be played with a little bit. All that fluid that leaked out has to be put back in now. Otherwise it won't work correctly. Around a little bit, not too fast. One at a time this time. Nasty ass cleaner in there. And that doesn't do much for heat for a while, does it? That's 163. There's some more. There's some air getting out. You need some waterproof asbestos gloves.
What's up, Mac? What's up, Big Bear? Huh? You got all their matching Kirkland jackets on today. She got them all.
Yep, got all brand new apparel on the dogs.
She's gonna. They have them for adults too. So they just didn't have them in our size yesterday.
Great.
So she's gonna buy us so all 5 of us can wear the same hoodie.
You're gonna be all set to go with hoodies on everybody, huh? Well, you back again? What are you back over here for? Oh, look out, you burn over here. So what exactly is that floating on top there, do you think?
47, so 53, 73, 77 years worth of grody-ness.
Of grime in there? So we got, what, about an hour of zapping on these things now, I think? Close to it. Still bubbling, you hear it.
Alright, I think we're probably good there.
Alright, 10 or 12? Go 12?
Should be our last one now.
On these. We'll go 12, what the hell. Let's see, we'll do the swept again. What are you doing down here, huh? What are you doing down there? Can't even see them at all. We could see them before a little bit.
Nah, it gives me nothing now. Can't see what it is down there.
He said it cleans better when you got dirt in the water. It's got a lot of dirt in the water now.
They're not far down. I can touch them. They're like an eighth below.
That's like an eighth?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I can't see it.
they're within a quarter. I think there's something right there, but I can't tell. Kind of a shadow.
Yeah.
It's like a sandbar. It's there, but you don't know until you hit it. doing that? What? Packing me. Such a strong. Just right off my cup. And I got it now. Ripping the damn thing apart under there. Alright, close it up. Down to 159 temp now. It loses temp fast, you take that lid off. Have to wiggle around to figure out what it takes to make it go down. There it goes. Yeah, it's got to be just right. Yeah, it's a good cleaner. It's expensive, I think it's worth the money. It actually works.
Yeah. And this is not even the abrasive cleaner. This is just the regular cleaner.
Yeah, this isn't the good stuff.
That one is supposed to be more aggressive.
He hasn't sent us the good stuff yet. We got the generic cleaner. All right, good for now.